What is up, everyone? We are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. And here I go to my hive. Now, I have played this game before, but I'm just starting basically from scratch on my new account, and I will be going through my whole Bee Swarm journey. But for right now, let's go ahead and grind. After a restless night, I can finally upgrade some of my equipment. And that's basically all of it. I can't afford anything else, so I might as well go back to the dandelion fields and start grinding. But I quickly got bored of that and decided to go face the ladybug. I have to wait for my fat, stinky bee to come back. And thus, the ladybug is gone. And now I just have to go up on this mushroom obby and collect my royal jelly. And I decided to farm a little bit at the mushroom field. Now I can finally buy my second bee egg. We're just gonna put the bee right above that bee. And there we go. Then I go back to make the money, the honey, and all that good stuff. I decided to go back and kill the ladybug again with my 2 bees this time, and I quickly took it down with no effort. So I decided to go over to the rhino beetle and take it down too. And back to grinding I go. After some grinding, I decided to get a ticket and go across this hot lava obby. Anyways, that's the adventure for right now. I will be doing other parts if you suggest me to, and I will be doing other adventures like Minecraft and etc. Anyway, that's it. Goodbye, guys. Like this video.